Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mohanty sir. Children, today let us discuss another important geometrical truth which gives the relation between the areas of two similar triangles and their corresponding sides. Children, you know different criteria for proving similarity of two triangles, namely angle, 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 side, angle, side, and your SSS, side, side, side. Okay, you already know. Already we have discussed the concept of similarity in detail. Okay. Now today let us find another important truth. Suppose you are given two triangles similar. Okay. So if two triangles are similar, so what will be the relation between their areas and their corresponding sides? Okay. So the truth is given in terms of a theorem, that is theorem 6.6. Let us first understand what is the statement of theorem 6.6, what does it say, and then we will discuss how to prove it geometrically. Okay. So theorem 6.6 says that if there are two triangles given which are similar, that means look at the figure. Suppose triangle ABC and triangle PQR, they are similar. It is given to you. Okay, given. Then what will be the relation between their areas? Means the areas of these two similar triangles with their corresponding sides. You see, if these ABC and PQR are similar, then AB and PQ will be one pair of corresponding side. BC and QR, it is another pair of corresponding side. Similarly, AC and PR, it will form another pair of corresponding sides. Okay. Now, what will be the relation between the areas of these two similar triangles with their corresponding what sides? So, what theorem 6.6 says? It says that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas, that means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to the ratio of the squares. You see, the ratio of the squares of each pair of corresponding sides. That means if ABC and PQR are similar, these are two similar triangles, then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR, it will be equal to the ratio of the squares of each pair of corresponding sides. That means it is equal to AB square by PQ square, and it is again equal to BC square by QR square, and it is again equal to AC square by PR square. So how to prove? Okay, let us discuss the proof. See, so you are given only this, then what you will prove? You will prove that the ratio of the areas, that means area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR, it will be equal to AB square by PQ square. You see, because AB and PQ, they form one pair of corresponding sides. So the square of the corresponding sides is AB square by PQ square. It is again equal to BC square by QR square, and it is again equal to AC square by your PR square. So how to prove it? Okay. Now in order to prove this truth, just draw two perpendiculars. That is the construction. Suppose AN is drawn perpendicular to BC and PN is drawn perpendicular to QR. Okay. So that will come under the heading construction. Okay. So draw AN perpendicular to BC and your PN perpendicular to QR. Okay. So this is the construction. Okay. Now let us come to the proof part. Okay. Now how to prove? You see, children, you see, when as we are given, see, as we are given, let us come to the proof part. You see, as we are given, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. So you know, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are what? Proportional, and the corresponding angles are equal. So since triangle, this is the first step, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, okay, so definitely your AB, you see, AB by PQ, that means the ratio of the corresponding sides. So AB by PQ will be equal to your BC by QR, and it is again equal to your AC by PR. Okay, the corresponding sides are proportional of two similar triangles. Next, corresponding angles are also equal. So we can take angle B equal to angle Q, angle A equal to angle P, That means angle BAC and angle QPR will be equal. Similarly, angle C will be equal to angle R. Okay. So let us take the equality of angle B and angle Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. What is the region? The region is corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal and corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Okay, this is the first step. Okay. Now, we have to prove that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle what? PQR is equal to the square of this, the square of BC by QR and the square of AC by PR. Okay. As we want to show the ratio of their areas, so first we have to find the area of the two triangles, and you know what is the formula to find area of triangle. Area of any triangle is calculated by the formula what? Half into base into height. So now if this is the base, M is the altitude or height, let us find area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR and divide the two. Okay. Now see, area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR. Okay. Let us find in one step. So area of triangle ABC is your half into which is the base BC, which is the height or altitude AM, divided by half. Here the base is QR and the altitude is which one? PN. Okay. So half cancel. Now it is equal to BC into AM by QR into PN. See. So what did we get, children? By finding the areas of the two triangles ABC and PQR and taking their ratios, what did we get? We got area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR equal to BC by QR into what? Your AM by PN. Okay. Now again in place of BC by QR, we can write AB by PQ. So let us, because they are equal, so let us write AB by PQ into AM by PN. Okay, let this be equation 1. See, let this be equation 1. Now children, what is our aim? Our aim is to show that the ratio of this area of these two triangles is equal to what? Ratio of the square of their corresponding side. That means we have to show this ratio is equal to the square of AB by PQ or AB square by PQ square. Now see children, if this term, look at the ratio AM by PN. If this ratio AM by PN can be made equal to AB by PQ, then this expression, the expression in the right hand side of this equation will become what? AB square by PQ square or AB by PQ whole square. So which is our aim? So our target or aim now should be to express, to prove that AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ. Okay, if we can prove that AM by PN is equal to AB by PQ, then this expression will become AB square by PQ square or AB by PQ whole square, which is our aim. Now the point is, how can we show AM by PN equal to AB by PQ? Now see children, in order to show that AM by PN equal to AB by PQ, look at the two triangles. To show that AM by PN equal to AB by PQ, we have to take the similarity of these two triangles, that is ABM and triangle PQN. If at all we can prove that triangle ABM and triangle PQN are similar, then no doubt AM by PN will be equal to AB by PQ, because they are the corresponding sides of these two triangles and they will be automatically equal. Okay, proportional. These two pairs of corresponding sides, that is AM by PN and AB by PQ, will be equal, or the corresponding sides of these two triangles will automatically become what? Proportional, provided we prove that these two triangles are similar. So now our target should be to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now the point is, how can we prove that these two triangles are similar? Okay, now let us prove the similarity of these two triangles. Okay, so in order to prove that triangle ABM and triangle PQN are similar, let us find out the matching parts which will decide that they are what? Similar. So the next step is in triangle ABM. You see, ABM and triangle PQN. Let us find the matching parts. Look at children, already we have proved that angle P equal to angle Q. You see, we have already proved that angle B equal to angle Q because they are the corresponding angles of the two similar triangles, that is ABC and PQR. Now another pair, you see, another matching part, another pair of matching part. Look at this angle, angle AMB. Look at angle AMB and look at angle PNQ. Both of these angles are equal, and why they are equal? Both these angles are equal because each one measures 90 degree. Both are equal to 90 degree. And why 90 degree? Because AM and PN are perpendicular. By construction, AM and PN are drawn perpendicular to BC and QR. So no doubt, this angle and this angle will be 90 degrees. Now you see, we got the two matching parts. So by which similarity condition? Angle, angle. Therefore, you see, by angle, angle condition, okay, we came to know that triangle ABN is similar to triangle PQN. See, okay. So by angle similarity condition, we proved that this triangle and this triangle are similar. Now, if these two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be proportional. Therefore, you see, so AB by PQ, which is the corresponding side of AB, PQ. So AB by PQ will be no doubt equal to AM by what? Your PN. Okay, because what is the reason? Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. See, so what did we get? We got AB by PQ equal to AM by PN. Now, you put the value of A by AM by PN in this expression. Okay, in this equation, let us put the values. Let us put the value of AM by PN. Okay, so therefore, you see what we will get ultimately. Therefore, putting in equation 1, you see, putting in equation 1, putting the value of AM by PN in equation 1. What is equation 1? It is area of, you see, area triangle ABC divided by area triangle what? PQR. You see? So it is equal to AB by PQ into AM by PN, and in place of AM by PN, what we will put? We will put AB by PQ. You see? So AB by PQ into AB by PQ. See? Okay. Now, this expression will become what? This expression will become your AB by PQ whole square. So this is what we wanted to prove. This is what we wanted to prove. You see, but look at, but AB by PQ equal to BC by QR and AC by PR. But already we have proved here that as the two triangles are similar, each pair of corresponding sides are proportional. Their corresponding sides are proportional. That means AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. So, but AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. Now you put the value here in this equation. Now you put this value in this equation. Therefore, area triangle ABC divided by area triangle PQR. You see, it is equal to AB by PQ whole square, but AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and which is again equal to AC by PR. That means this ratio is equal to AB by what? PQ whole square. It will again be equal to BC by QR whole square, and it is again equal to AC by PR whole square. Okay. So this is what we wanted to prove. This is what we wanted to prove. We wanted to prove that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of the what? Squares of their corresponding sides. That means the ratio of the square of each pair of corresponding sides. Okay. Thus, we proved that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas will always be equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. This is a very important relation and important theorem also. Children, it comes in the exam. Now the point is, can this theorem be applied? Can this theorem be applied to, suppose you see, here we proved that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Okay. Is it true that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the what? Squares of two corresponding medians, squares of two corresponding altitudes, and squares of two corresponding what? Angle bisector. Yes. This theorem or this geometrical truth is also applicable. I mean, if two triangles are similar, then in a similar manner we can prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is also equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding medians, the ratio of the squares of their corresponding altitudes, and it is also equal to the ratio of the squares of any two angle bisectors. Okay, any two angle bisectors. Okay, in a similar manner you will prove these three. If you understood how to prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, then following similar procedure you can easily prove that the ratio of two what? The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is also equal to the ratio of the what? Squares of each pair of what? Medians, I mean square of corresponding medians, the ratio of squares of corresponding altitudes, and the ratio of squares of corresponding what? Angle bisectors. Okay. So children, this is a very important truth, and mostly this theorem comes in the exam. Children, I hope you understood how to prove geometrically that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas will be equal to what? The ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, or the ratio of the squares of each pair of corresponding sides. Okay. Children, I hope you understood. If at all you understood, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay. In the next class, we have already completed Pythagoras theorem, how to prove it geometrically using the concept of similarity. In the next class, we are going to discuss the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Thank you.